Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka Sorkar Jylla kalarai ban Wanrah laka jongkaan nakabantaban sedang ka Jaka Pule Doktor haka skol ba Shimen ka University of Science and Technology Meghalaya. Habakaran syakila patai khobor hadian ka jingyalang jong ka genhun menteri haka sengit hok dieng ka khat pra tarik urisau arhajar arpesau ka menteri ka bapet ya katanat ka kuat ka khya bat katanat ain ka kong amperin lingdo kalaya thu baka genhun menteri kalaya tai halor ka Jaka Pule Doktor jong ka Ustm ka badai ban sedang no menta Ustm Handai ka Sorkar Jylla kala shim ka rai ba yakni ka Jaka Pule Doktor omla ban shusdang kumto khlem da don ka an ka badai ban pet ban khmi yakni ka Jaka Pule kumta ka kenhun menteri kala rai ban Wanrah no la ka jong ka an na ka benta ka ni ka Jaka Pule Doktor ha Ustm ha ka ba ka tanat ka kot ka khya ka hab ban shong perkhat ha kini ki sngi bat ban pen khre ya ka an ka kong amperin ka loong ban pen kulaya ka kam dan kam ban Wanrah no shwa da ka an ka ba shipor lani ordinance namar bakani ka Jaka Pule Doktor ka hab ban sedang no e ka jing ai jing hikai mentahi Ustm ka kong amperin ka loong ru baka Sorkar Jylla ka hab ban pet ban khmi e ka Jaka Pule Doktor namar ka don ru ka hukum ka bapenmi da ka Supreme Court bat kalong ka badan kam ban bot ban yad kat kum ka an.
The second item was the USTM. Cabinet was pleased to decide that we will not be able to allow the USTM to functional without a proper act in place because we are mandated as a state government to monitor allocations of seats, fees of courses, and we have therefore decided that Cabinet will again sit after the Health Department brings forward its plan for the act. And on Wednesday, we are scheduled to meet again with the Honorable Chief Minister and the Cabinet, where we will again brief you for more information on this matter. There are Supreme Court judgments in position that already give adequate mandate to the state to come up with acts so that there is no confusion in even allotment of seats, fees of students, etc., etc., etc. So we will come up with an act and we'll have to fast track that act. Hence, Cabinet will meet again, and if necessary, we have to bring an ordinance so that we are mandated as per law to operationalize the USTM as well.
But how is it functioning without act till now?
This is the first time for the medical college. No, not for the entire university, but for the medical college. This is a medical college, hence we have to bring it in position.
So a university will have to go up another act.
This is the medical college, no? This is the PA Sangma International Medical College. And the state has to monitor all of that as per mandate of law. So we're going ahead and we're doing it first.
So there was some confusion that means initially 40 seats.
There is no confusion. We have to be directed. Once the NOC has been given to USTM to start operation, it is offering state government some seats. But we have to be guided by an act, and hence to make sure that we are doing things in the correct way, we follow what is being done in other states. Other states also have private medical colleges. We have to do that, and we have to follow and make sure that the best practice is adopted so that we are guided by this act.
And still, everything will be put.
Try our best to complete procedures within stipulated time of the end of October, which is when it is again mandated for all medical courses to begin.
Well, next year we can expect these 40 seats.
No, this year.
No,
Not about 40 or 30 or we don't know how many. We are coming up with an act and we will be guided by that act. Certain states give 60%, certain state gives 30%, certain state gives 40%. We have to decide as a state which is the model of operation in our state.
Can you tell us the name of the act?
No. We are coming up with the medical college, private university and government for our own state. We are also looking at government colleges in the pipeline in the future. There has to be some guiding rule. So we have to have certain, this is mandatory as we see is being done in other states.